In this video, I'll show you how to buy games from the Japanese Nintendo eShop. The process is very simple, just follow the steps. The main trick is to change the region of your Nintendo account. To start, open the Nintendo website on your computer or phone and sign in. Once you're on Nintendo.com, click your profile icon and go to Nintendo Account Overview. This will take you to accounts.nintendo.com. Under User Information, select Edit Profile, then change your country/region of residence to Japan and save the changes. After that, open the eShop on your Nintendo Switch. You may need to sign in again so the eShop can update your region. You might also see a message saying the eShop can't be displayed in your system language. That's normal, the eShop will now appear in Japanese because your account region is set to Japan. You can browse and buy games the same way you normally do, select a game, choose the purchase option, and enter your payment details. Most international credit cards work without issues. If your card doesn't work, the easiest solution is to buy a Japanese Nintendo eShop gift card. You can find digital versions on sites like eBay. Once you redeem the gift card, the added balance can be used to buy any game. So try your regular card first. If it doesn't go through, a Japanese eShop gift card will solve the problem.